Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and connection. Plug in or ensure Wi-Fi is strong and keep the screen awake. Next, enable backups, iCloud for iPhone, Google Backup for Android, or a local PC image, because that creates a reliable source to restore from. Once done, sign into the same account on both devices and enable developer USB debugging or tap trust when prompted, so the phones can exchange data. This prevents mid-transfer failures and speeds recovery. Now you move the data, choosing the method that matches your backup. Cloud sync if you backed up online, a direct cable migration for large media, or restore from the local backup file on your computer. You should select which data sets to move, contacts, photos, messages, apps, and settings, so you avoid unnecessary files. While the transfer runs, monitor progress and spot check counts for contacts and photos if numbers mismatch. Pause and inspect the source backup before continuing to avoid partial restores. Finish by reauthorizing accounts and signing into apps so their synced data repopulates. Some apps restore only after you log back in. Then verify app data integrity and run a quick scan for missed files. Open your gallery, messages, and contacts. Copy any residual media manually from the old phone if needed. If something goes wrong, retry the transfer using a wired connection or select a specific dated backup to restore. This often resolves incomplete transfers, and then recheck the data to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.